How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the first episode of Bouken Garage. This is a project channel I've been meaning to do for a long time, and I figure since I'm getting a new vehicle or a new project vehicle today, that this is probably the best time to start making the channel. I apologize for the terrible camera work. It is 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm tired. I got to drive like an hour and a half to go pick up the new car. But yeah, I don't really know what to say. It's not going to be a whole lot said in this video. I'm just going to show you the new car, show you cars right now that are going to be part of the channel. So there you go. As time goes on, obviously I'll have better production quality videos, cameras, etc. But for now, we're going to drive and go pick up the new car, the new project car. So hopefully you guys come along and enjoy the trip with me. I don't think I'll be filming a whole lot when I actually pick up the car, out of respect for the former owner, because, you know, people like their privacy. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we are on our way now to go pick up the new project car, and it dawned on me that I should probably give a little bit more information on what the channel is going to be like. Basically, I am no professional. I do have a lot of experience working on cars and things like that, replacing engines, transmissions, doing my own wiring, all that good stuff, detailing, etc. And basically, this channel is going to be about me just working on my two cars that are going to be a project, maybe my third one, which is my daily. That one might be sold though in the future for more projects, and really, you guys are just along for the ride and the adventure to see what, if all, that I do to these vehicles. For the one that you saw, obviously the Toyota, that's project's going to be going back to stock. Is kind of, I think it's been stock its whole life, but that's kind of the goal for that one, go like pristine stock. And that's kind of what the goal is going to sort of be for this car we're going to go pick up, which you guys will see with the movie magic, as it were, editing. You guys will see a lot sooner than I will. It's going to kind of be returned to form of stock for this car as well. I'll have more information on it when we get home, because it's pretty cool. The information for this new vehicle kind of aligns with the information from my Toyota, and I think it's really cool. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. So let's keep going, let's keep driving, let's go pick up this car and see how it goes. Alright, so we were successful in picking up the new project car, and man, was that not an easy thing to do. The area that I had to get this big truck and trailer into was so tiny that I was surprised that the truck didn't go over the ravine, that I didn't ram into their mailbox or their trees. It's such a small little entrance, and then the hill where the car was parked was literally quite like a 45-degree angle friggin' hill. So not only did I have to reverse the trailer up there, like into that small little spot, I had to reverse it up that hill. And man, the truck and trailer was not happy about that. I can tell you that for sure. That was definitely one of the more interesting car pickup spots I've ever had to do. But we're on our way home right now, and we'll pick up there when we get back home. I'll show you what the car is like. I'll show you what the car is, because I don't think I've said it yet. And yeah, so hopefully you guys are excited to see what it is. See you in a moment. And just like that, we're back at home. We got the project car, and I guess it's time to unveil it. So there she is. A 1994 two-door all-wheel drive 2.2 liter Subaru Impreza GC8, whatever the hell y'all want to call it. You know what these things are. As you can see, this one is in very dirty condition, beat up a bit. Literal barn find. Literally found it in a barn up in the mountains. So literal barn find. Got it for an amazing deal. We'll go around it so you can see all the damage. Obviously it's missing the gas door here. That kind of sucks, but easy. The door looks like it was hidden at some point in time in its life. Fender here smacked in a little bit. Simple stuff. I mean, replacing the door panel, I can maybe pop that out. I can replace that or pop that out. The back looks like it hit at some point. Clean title. It doesn't look clean. It's dirty as all hell, but it is a clean title. This side door looks like it was smacked at some point. It's not the worst. Could probably pop it out. This side fender's good. Obviously, you can tell that the window is smashed out. So how this happened, it was not through a burglary or anything. So before they parked it in the barn, it sat underneath the tree, and that tree just kind of had a branch that decided it wanted to go through the quarter panel window. And the front, you can see I have taped off because it has a, I'll show you from the inside, it has a big ass bowling ball size. I don't know what hit it, I don't know what fell on it, but it's got that. So yeah, the inside is dirty as all hell. That's today's project. I don't know if it'll be in today's video, but it's today's project is to clean this thing, because as you can see, it's a barn find. It's dirty, it's old, but 1,000 original miles on the original engine. It runs, turns on, drives, works fine. Just a literal barn find. Kind of stuff that people wish they could find up here in California. There is no rust in the car, ironically. I open up the trunk, there's no rust in the trunk. There's no rust in the tire wells. It's dirty and damaged, but structurally a clean car, which you don't really see with these. A lot of these usually have rust issues, but this one, at least so far from what I can find, does not. So yeah, this is my newest project that's going to be on the channel. We're going to give it a front facelift because I'm a fan of the, I should put those down first. I'm a fan of the, what is it, 97, 98 to 2001 faces, because I like the more jagged, angry looking headlights. I mean, this is complete, so I won't do it right away, but I don't like how this kind of just looks like a freaking Subaru Outback front. I'm granted they're on the same chassis and everything, but I'm not a big fan of that. There's the original 2.2 liter engine. Works perfectly fine, runs perfectly fine. And yeah, so that is literally the new project for the channel, and probably the first project, because then we have over here my 1985 Toyota Corolla, which I've had literally since 1999, if I remember correctly. Yeah, 1999 I've had this thing. Was my first car. I didn't know anything about cars when I got it, but I'm sure happy that I do have it. Obviously you can see my Ford Fusion in the background. We still love that thing too. Beautiful daily driver. It's going to get washed as well, along with these two beauties here. So funny story about both of these cars. So the Toyota was made in, or it came off the line in 1984, and it was purchased in 1985. I bought it off the original owner in 1999. So I'm the second owner. This is only two-owner Toyota, clean title, works great, great car. Obviously, if you know what these are, you know what they are. This has a similar story. Came off the line in 1994, but sold in 1995. And again, I purchased it from the original owner. So I am the second owner of this Subaru Impreza. So it's kind of funny. 84, sold in 85. 94, sold in 95. Bought off the original owner. Bought off the original owner. It's just kind of a cool parallel that these two cars have 10 years difference, but a similar story. And they will share a same experience with each other, because this is, outside of doing the front face swap, this is going to be stock. I'm not going to turbo it. I'm not going to really do much to it. It's going to be a stock, beautiful running car. We are going to lower it. We'll get some rims for it. We'll definitely, obviously, it fails the shoe test. And yeah, the point of this car is to make it all stock and take it back to what it was neglected from. One owner car, now two owner car, clean title. Same with that. This thing is, this thing's already complete. It's just over the years, because I've had it for 25 years now, like all that interior trim is in the back from when I did transmission repair, but the back, you can tell the interior quarter panels are just a bit shot because of the sun. But other than that, she's fine. Runs. She's a good car. It's obviously my baby. His is the new baby, and then my Ford Fusion. So yeah, that is pretty much what it's going to be, guys, here at Bouken Garage, where every broken car is an adventure. Don't mind the dirty garage right now. We had a fire about a year ago, and we're still in the process of moving stuff back into the house. So that is what it is. But those are the projects for now. The Ford Fusion may be with us for a little bit longer. I don't know yet, because I might end up selling it to do all the beautiful love that I want to this thing. And I might even sell it to get an Integra. But it's been a beautiful car. I love it. I might keep it still for a little bit longer, but we're going to see. So welcome to the channel. Hope you guys enjoy little DIY projects, and just come on the adventure with me, and we'll see what happens.